Join me today as we hike Mount Saint Helens, the most active volcano in the Cascade Range. It's famous for its 1980 eruption. Here we go!
We've made it. Permit required beyond this point. We have a permit. Yay. How long did it take us to go through like the forested section?
About an hour.
About an hour? Yeah. We stopped for a couple pictures. Alright! Here we go. Climbing up this big thing. And we'll see what's next after that. It's about a mile and a half up it, I believe. So, yay. Assuming that these white poles, or these, I guess they're wood poles, are the markers. One more mile. Not quite done with the boulder field yet. I think we are a little bit more than halfway up the boulder field. We thought that this like ridge area with small, medium, and large rocks was like the bouldering, but it's not. So about halfway through the large rocks, and it's been fun, but we're kind of over it at this point.
Yeah, 1 more mile. We're so close.
So close.
Okay, we made it to the top, and looking in the crater is a surreal experience.
Take a selfie.
This is the ash field we just hiked up. It's about half a mile and the hardest part.
Yeah, this part it was awful, and we just came down that, so down we go.
Alright, I understand why everyone suggests wearing gaiters now because I keep getting so many rocks in my shoes. Seriously, coming down that last part, it's basically like you're dry skiing. I definitely recommend at the very least bringing some hiking poles.
Someone found my hat and bought it all the way up here and has been asking people about it, so I feel pretty lucky.
This is the area we thought was the boulder field on the way up, but it's not.
Our first tree.
Like a lot of other hikers, we stashed a few things by the tree line so that we had them on the way down, but we didn't have to carry them up. Of course, if you do this, please make sure that you actually pick your stuff up. Looking back, we should have stashed them in a bear bag or a bear canister.
In comparison to what we did today.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like the never-ending boulder field.
Yeah, it was way bigger than on the way up.
Yeah, right?
Weird.
Glad we're not the only ones that thought that. All right, we've made it back.
Thank goodness.
6 hours and 40 minutes, including breaks. Now the sun is finally out. All right.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more outdoor and travel related videos.